We have put together a video of 5 best Wakesurf board on the market that will help you to choose best one for you. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1, most popular. Driftsun Throwdown Wakesurf board. Driftsun has designed the Throwdown to grow with the rider. Ideal for beginners, the low rail and rolled edges design provide added stability, ensuring you can get up with ease. This board will take you from beginner right through to intermediate, and allows you to reset your fins for advanced setup. This board features a comfortable and incredibly diverse 4-fin setup that allows you to completely customize your ride to the day's conditions. The board EVA diamond-shaped traction pads provide more grip, allowing you to stay up longer. This gives you the ultimate comfort to enjoy your day. Number 2. South Bay Board Company. 52-inch Wakesurf board. A great board to build your confidence on, the Driftsun 5050 will give you a stable ride with minimal effort. The surf-style design of this board closely mimics that of a regular surfboard, thus creating an easier-to-learn canvas. This style also lends itself to higher speeds. This board comes with the most popular tri-fin style setup, allowing riders to complete control in deciding whether they use 1, 2, or 3 fins. The compression mold design combined with the EVA pad and kicktail gives this board precision while being easy to maneuver. Number 3. CWB Ride Wakesurf board. If you want to tear through the water at top speeds, the CWB Ride is the perfect Wakesurf board for you. This surf-style board allows you to take on the waves just as you would with a regular surfboard, with easy traction and predictable turns. A CNC diamond-cut EVA pad with a kicktail also makes this board easy to maneuver. Because this board is compression mold, there is a large surface area despite the board's shorter size. The tri-fin system gives you the versatility to enjoy a ride with 1, 2, or 3 fins. Number 4. Airhead AHWS F01 BONZAI Wakesurfer. Airhead is a top manufacturer of Wakesurf boards, and the BONZAI has been designed with a classic shape that is easy to get upon. Featuring a compression mold fiberglass board with dual hook grooves that grab the wake to give you increased stability, and 3 profiled fins mounted to recessed fin boxes, the BONZAI is perfect for beginners and smaller wakes. This top-rated board from Airhead also features superior speed due to the pin-shaped 2.5-inch rocker. This board size and shape ensure it will fit on any board rack. Number 5. Ronix Marshmallow Wakesurfer. Without a doubt, the coolest looking board on our video, Ronix Marshmallow comes in a sick orange and zebra stripe design, adorned with pineapples and tropical flowers, and guaranteed to get any rider in the mood for summer. This top-rated board is extremely durable. It uses surf construction to improve buoyancy while also maintaining speed performance. To ensure a smooth cruise on smaller wakes, this wakeboard features a rail design, while the overall EVA top deck construction keeps it light.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.